never left, okay? What's good, y'all? Back at it. So today's video is going to be on my industrial piercing. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. If you're not, what's good? So today, I shall be talking about this right here. Look at this, y'all. Like, what is that? These two bumps. It's slowly going away because it was bigger. But I've been trying to get rid of them, and I've been trying really hard, y'all. But don't worry, we shall get there. And it's almost a year. It's been 9 months and a couple of, weeks. It was worse before, and honestly, I wasn't really consistent with the maintenance of it. I'm starting to get better, but this is how it looks. It's not too bad. Yeah. So I shall be showing y'all the process of me getting it pierced, and I will show you guys the healing process and everything at the end. So let's get into it.
I want to test that.
Yeah.
I want to test that. Okay.
Oh my god, you can hear me swallow. It's so gross.
Yeah, so your ear is going to swell. Heads up. There's 5 different sizes you can do for this, so bear with me.
Is this a good view? You wanted this in?
No, it's fine. Did you see every acne got?
Wow. So whenever I go to do it, I'll be like this.
Okay.
Just so you
I'll
know.
this way.
So yeah, probably better for you to do it like that. So you're gonna lean your head all the way back onto the side rest because you're gonna want to pull away from me. So.
Is that bad? Golly.
It's not horrible. It's a lot of pressure.
Oof.
That's the worst part. Kind of like your ears.
Yeah.
Just a ton of fucking pressure. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to line everything up. You're gonna bear with me. You did your titties. You good.
Okay, so, okay.
Just gotta get the right angle for it. Go ahead and take your glasses off for me. Off your ear. There we go. Nope. It's not in the way, but I don't actually bump it. Alright, nice deep breath in. Almost through. Okay. We're through one hole.
What's one hole?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Nice deep breath in.
Good job.
You're doing great. Alright, so
Oh, that
it's in.
looks good.
I was like, one hole? Wait. That felt like 2.
Bitch, you playing with me right now. Alright, go ahead and take a breather. I still gotta put jewelry in.
Oh my gosh.
You got this.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
You got this.
Wait till you see it. It's super cute.
I would say it looks hella cute and there's a needle sticking out of it, so. Yep, we're through one. Try not to snag your hair. We're through 2.
Okay, that second wasn't bad.
Too short.
Are you left-handed? You
Right-handed.
Oh, you're right. Oh god.
This is weird. Make sure this is tightened on there for you.
It's so cute.
That wasn't too bad.
Let me wipe it for you.
Did it bleed or anything?
Not really.
Oh,
Barely.
A little tiny bit.
Okay.
Nothing crazy. And most times those fucking bleed like crazy. So fuck yes to this. You
Wow.
are all set, babe.
I know y'all finished watching me in pain. It was bad. On a scale from 1 to 10, I give it a 10. That's how bad it was. Honestly, my nipples were way less painful than my industrial. She heard it. Not gonna hold you. So the aftercare. Basically, you use wound wash. Let me go get it real quick. We bought this Neil Med wound wash cleaner. It costs $4 and some change at Walmart. So let's just say $5. So $5 for one of those, and we've got 2, and you use them One in the morning, use some in the morning, use some at nighttime. You take this and you put some in the cap. This isn't the cap. This cap is for another container. And you take your cotton swab. Take one of your cotton swabs over here. You place it in here. Make sure the cotton swab is wet. And then you clean your piercing, the top. On the inside, the bottom. On the inside, the outer bottom. And in the outer top. Make sure you get in there so the product could get inside of the piercing. Okay. And you get the other side, you wet it. And you do the same exact process again. So basically you do this 2 times a day. You do that basically for a year because it takes around a year for your industrial before it, like, you know, fully is healed. It has these 2 bumps in it, which isn't bad because they were bigger, so they're like slowly, you know, going down. And the reason it got like that is because I was kind of careless. I legit washed it once a day or probably none, you know, like it was kind of cold world. But yeah, this is how it looks and I still love it. This piercing was very painful, but this has been a piercing I wanted for the longest, so I would definitely go back and get it again if it were to close because I like it. I think it's cute, you know. Okay, one more thing that I have to say is sleeping on your ear, I would say don't do it. But honestly, I kind of slept on it, but I positioned myself in a way where my ear didn't hurt. So I slept on it, but this isn't my dominant side of sleeping, so it wasn't that hard to, you know, stay off of it. And it's very painful, so please don't let anybody get around this part of your ear, because I remember when mine was fresh, my little brother kicked me in my ear. Oh my goodness, that was like the worst. It hurted worse when he kicked my ear than when the piercing was actually going in. It started bleeding. I had to clean it out and everything, so please be careful. If you have any little siblings, be careful with the ear, you know, just be careful. You know, it's gonna hurt. It's very painful when it's fresh, but right now it can slide up and down. It's not too bad, you know. It's chilling, living its best life out here. And hasn't been a year. I'm waiting for that so I can, you know, do what I gotta do. And this is a different piercing in it because my first piercing, the bar was very like short, and to clean it was harder. And honestly, I feel like it was more prone to be infected with the small bar because like there was no space to clean it. Then after I put this bigger bar, it helped out a lot. Like the swelling went down and everything, and my friend like gave me the advice like, hey, put a bigger bar in it. I changed it out and it was painful, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Change the bar and everything. And honestly, I actually like this bar better, and it has helped tremendously with the swelling. It's going down a little bit, you know, y'all probably don't see that, but I see it. And that's basically it for the aftercare. It's not too hard. It's kind of low maintenance, but not really, because I know cleaning your ear twice a day can be like, oh my gosh, I have to do this. But if you want it to look good, you got to do what you got to do, y'all. And if this is a piercing you want, I would say totally get it. I feel like it looks good on everybody. Like, I look good. And, you know, yeah, I do look good. And I feel like every person that I've seen with them on, it looks amazing on them. So for sure, if you have been thinking about getting industrial, definitely get it. And it hurts. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not gonna say, oh yeah, the pain is not bad. No, it hurts, but it's quick pain, so go for it. And I hope you guys can come back on my channel and see more content by me. Love y'all and hope to see y'all soon. Hold up, Jesus loves you. Out.